Human beings are perplexing by nature, difficult to understand. Every day and night, performing the same cycle in the same city with people they love. But they leech of the earth while considering themselves some kind of a messiah, a resource. But they need to know one moment you're on the streets, breathing, living, and one moment you've fallen and the crushing weight of reality starts to set in. Polyethylene, simply plastic. Every year, 460 million tons of plastic is produced, out of which 20 million ends up as litter in our environment. This plastic can currently be anywhere, choking a cow to death or flowing in your bloodstream. In India alone, 9 million tons of plastic is on our streets, in our holy rivers and big cities. Plastic has turned from a new age discovery to a deadly global crisis. Every year, 4 to 10 lakh deaths are related to plastic pollution worldwide. But we humans aren't the only ones affected. Dogs, cats, cows, horses, and birds alike, animals have been affected significantly. We take over their territories and pollute it. The animal deaths due to plastic recorded last year were more than 4 million. We need to ask ourselves this: is it really worth it?
Hello.
Good evening, Uncle.
Good evening.
Good evening, Arya.
Plastic pollution is a severe environmental issue with far-reaching consequences for ecosystems, human health, and wildlife issues. It is a global crisis driven by the widespread use and improper disposal of plastics.
Plastic pollution is one of the most dangerous pollution for future, as it creates harmful gases.
Widespread environment problem, which is very serious consequence of the ecosystem in our human health.
Our government must start the high subsidies for the recycling process of the plastic wastage. And one of the best thing what our Nitin Gadkari ji is doing, he is putting all the waste material, plastic material in for the construction of the roads.
Is storing food in metal or glass containers. Widespread use of plastic nowadays is used in hotel industries, which is leading to a huge amount of plastic pollution. You can always clean and reuse the jars from food items you buy from stores.
First is on the side of production of plastic. The government and the organizations can try to reduce their use of single-use plastic, and moreover they can try to facilitate recycling and reusing of the plastic that already exists in the world, so that we can use it to the utmost and don't waste anything. One thing that irritates me a lot is when people just throw plastic in water bodies like rivers, creeks and lakes. We should just try to dump whatever we are dumping, which is biodegradable, I'm assuming, and get rid of throwing plastic in water bodies.
A group as a whole requests you to listen to these suggestions and
प्लीज प्लीज मुझे मत मारो, मुझे जीना